The final slides this week, week 11, this is video number 6, I believe, covers the last slides in the PowerPoint, slides 24 to, I guess, 37. And I'm going to let you look at these independently and read the instructions on each slide, but I want to draw your attention to one or two things. So one is, we're going to talk about what are the references, so read this over, and who to ask to be a reference, okay, and how to ask someone, because that can be a little bit stressful or nerve-wracking. And then I want to get down here to frequently asked questions, slide number 31. So you probably know that the references are going to be maybe professional, so somebody like your boss at work if you have a part-time job or a full-time job, or maybe you've done babysitting or something like that, a customer if you've had a newspaper. It can also be academic, but look, do I need to actually ask the person for permission to include them on my references page for this assignment? No, okay? My goal is for you to be able to identify on this references page who you should ask, the information that should be there, and that it's formatted correctly. Okay, so look back at the checklist, see what I'm grading, put in the names of people who, if I was really applying for this job, I'd reach out to these people and ask them to be a reference. But I am not contacting them for this assignment, and you don't need to do that right now. Okay, thank you and have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you in week 12, which will be our opportunity to actually learn about mock interview or practice for the mock interview final assessment.